In this lesson, you will learn about weather-related words. Weather is 天気, 天気. Next, we have fine weather, that is 晴れ, 晴れ. Next is cloudy weather, that is 曇り, 曇り. Rainy weather is 雨, 雨. Hot is 暑い, 暑い. That is adjective. Word warm is 暖かい, 暖かい. Cool is 涼しい, 涼しい. Cold is 寒い, 寒い. Humid is 蒸し暑い, 蒸し暑い. Windy is 風が強い, 風が強い. Windy weather is 風が強い天気, 風が強い天気. 風 means wind. 強い means strong. Snow is 雪, 雪. 雪が降るでしょう means it will snow. 降る is to fall. でしょう means it shall or will. This is the dialogue between Sayuri and Matthew. Sayuri is a Japanese female name. Sayuri. マシューさんは今週京都へ旅行しますか？ Matthew. ええ、明日新幹線で京都に行きます。来週の月曜日まで京都にいます。それから福岡と長崎にも行きます。温泉にも行きます。来週の金曜日に東京に戻ります。さゆり。わあ、すごいですね。明日の天気は晴れです。旅行をゆっくり楽しんでください。Let's analyze the dialogue now. The first sentence from Sayuri was マシューさんは今週京都へ旅行しますか？ Which means, Matthew, are you taking a trip to Kyoto this week? Here, 旅行 means a trip. 旅行します means take a trip. Matthew said, ええ、明日新幹線で京都に行きます。That means, yes, I'm going to Kyoto by bullet train tomorrow. 来週の月曜日まで京都にいます。That means, I will be in Kyoto till Monday next week. それから福岡と長崎にも行きます。That means, then I will visit Fukuoka and Nagasaki too. 温泉にも行きます。That means, I will go to the hot spring too. Here, onsen means hot spring. 来週の金曜日に東京に戻ります。That means I will return to Tokyo on Friday next week. Here, 戻ります means return to the previous place where one stayed for a short time or temporarily. If you are to return to a place of a permanent residence or your regular workplace, you must use the word 帰ります. Then, Sayuri said, わあ、すごいですね. That means, wow, that's fantastic. Here, すごい means fantastic. 明日のお天気は晴れです. That means tomorrow's weather will be fine. 旅行をゆっくり楽しんでください. That means please enjoy the trip thoroughly or without rush. Here, ゆっくり means slowly. ゆっくり楽しんで means enjoy fully without rushing.